to show you how to make 2 different mocktail recipes and 1 alcoholic recipe that is a margarita, a healthier margarita recipe. So this is my mocktail, one of the mocktail recipes that I'll show you. So if that's something that you want to see, just keep watching. Alright, so the first drink that I'm going to show you is the one that I am currently drinking, the mocktail. And so you'll need some bitters, and I chose to do cranberry bitters with some orange bitters, and I used the Fee Brothers bitters. I got these off of Amazon, and I can link them down below. And then you'll also need some sparkling water. I use my Soda Stream, but you could use LaCroix or bubbly, anything that you want. You could add a little flavor. I chose not to add flavor to this one, but the next one that I do use a lime flavor. And then I also used some lemon juice for this one. And that's it for that one. Okay, so let's do that one. So you are going to need a glass. This is my fishbowl cups that I love. I got from FabFitFun, Chic and Tonic. And again, I can link that down below. Alright, so you're going to need to first add a bunch of ice. I pretty much filled the entire glass with ice to do it. Okay. And then I go with the lemon juice. 1, 2, 3, about 3 seconds. That's what I do. And then the bitters, you can do like 8 to 10 dashes or even more if that's what you like. But I did that each, so I did about 10 each. So this is the cranberry one. 6, 7, 8. The cranberry one's great because it's the one that gave it the color, the pinky color. And then I added the orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I'll do 10 on that one. The orange is clear, so the cranberry is great because it gives it the color. And then you're going to need the sparkling water, and then you pretty much just top it off with the sparkling water. And then let me grab my stirrer. Oh, and we're also going to need these measure for the actual drink. Okay, stir that up. There we go. And then I got these off of Amazon. They have watermelons on them. I love them. They're super cute. I tried cutting it in half to fit this cup. It didn't work. It was too short. So, I mean, it's a little wasteful, but they are paper, so that's good. I just cut like 1/4 of it off. And then it was perfect to be able to fit in there. Alright, so that's your drink number 1. Done. I'll just set that back here. Alright, the next one is a mocktail version of a margarita, pretty much. So you want to again start with a bunch of ice. Ooh, hold on. Let's go back. Okay, so I wanted to go back because we forgot to rim the cup. So we have, I like this hickory smoked sea salt that I got off of Amazon, and then also Margarita lemon lime. So I think they have one that's just lemon, or just lime. I like the lemon and the lime one. And this one I think I did get from the store, but you could probably get off of Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below for you. So we're gonna do we'll do this hickory smoked sea salt one. And then I better shake that up a little bit. Okay. I pour a little bit onto the plate. I chose to do this one just because the regular margarita, it tastes better with this one. I personally, for the mocktail, probably wouldn't use this one personally. I don't think that the flavors in the mocktail are enough to use the smoked, and I would rather use the other one, or you don't need any, it's up to you. Okay. I'm going to pour a little extra because it's going to be for both drinks. Okay. So I don't like to be wasteful, and these are lemons that we already zested for a recipe, but it'll still be fine. So I rim it, the lemon. Usually I use lime, but you know, quarantine life, ran out of limes, don't need to go to the store yet, so we're not going to go to the store, we're going to use lemons. And then you can rim the glass. Okay, so then the glass is rimmed, and then we put all the ice in. Oh, hi Sass. My cat's down there trying to join the party. Her name's Sawyer. She definitely likes to be part of everything. If you have a cat that also likes to be part of everything, go ahead and comment below, because I love to read the funnies on cats. Alright, so there's a bunch of ice for that one. And then we use the lime juice for this one, or I personally like lime juice. If you like lemon juice better, use lemon juice. I use more with the Margarita one more than the bitters one. 2, 3, 4, 5. About 4, 5, 6 seconds, whatever. I just put a lot of lime juice in there. And then we use kombucha. Now this one, again, quarantine life, I ran out. I bought some huge bottles. I put them in the refrigerator downstairs. They got too cold. They froze, they cracked. Was only able to save one of the bottles. So we ran out. So this is the leftover one that I have. This one's great if you're not like worried about your sugar levels, but I also try to make drinks that don't have a lot of sugar in them, and this one has 16 grams of sugar and 15 added sugars, so not the best, but still a good one, but I prefer to look for others. All right, and then I pour a bunch of that in there. Okay. And then this one I do the lime soda stream water. Again, you can use LaCroix or bubbly. Okay. And then for the soda stream, if you have it or get it, I use the lime drops. And I also want to try to, we have right now watermelon and cranberry, and I want to try to use that to make some other mocktails or cocktails, but I haven't gotten there yet. Just tried these 3. And then let's add a straw. Again, we need to cut it. Go. Stir it up. And then you can put the lemon or the lime right on there. And there's that one. I'll set it to the side. Okay, so last one, this first one with the bitters, I kind of did some research on bitters and found out that bitters, the Fee Brothers does not have alcohol, I don't believe in it, but other bitters do. And if you know more info, please comment below, let me know more about it, because I was looking into it. But the other bitters have like 50% alcohol or more, I don't know, the one thing I was researching said that, and it says that it's not enough to get you buzzed or anything, so it's still considered like not having alcohol when you put it into a mocktail. So that was a good thing to learn. All right, and then okay, so then the bitters one I kind of came up with on my own. The other mocktail, touches of it are my own. I also found another coach who did some, and then the next recipe is another coach's recipe, but I want to share it with you because I really like it. I'm gonna take a sip. Okay, and then I also, these cups that I love came in a pack of 4, but I use the ice machine. So if you end up getting them, don't put it right underneath the ice machine. Use a bowl, because it cracked it. Charles bump. So now we only have 3, but my wonderful godmother gave me some of her older cups that have fish on them, and I love nautical things, so it's really neat. I don't know if you can see the fishies. Love it. Okay, so for this drink, we're going to fill it with ice. Again. Oh, again, did it again. I want to rim it. So back up. All right. I think this one has some seeds in it we're gonna have to get rid of. Yep. Okay, so, nope. We don't need it in there. All right, rim the glass. And then get it all over. I also found like when you try to remake drinks, try to like rinse it out and then wipe it out because the wetness will drip down and then the salt all sticks together and it just doesn't work out very well. So luckily, me pouring the ice out, it's working out pretty well. But just a tip. Okay, then we put the ice in. Okay, so, oh, and this is, like I said, I am a coach, so I'm a health and fitness online coach, and right now I'm making this so that I wanted to try making a bitters drink so that I can share it with the girls in my fit gym, because this week we're focusing on nutrition, so I'm going to share it for Friday so that they can be able to try these maybe on the weekend if they choose to. So for the actual healthier margarita, the light margarita, by no means is, you know, having an alcoholic drink healthy, but this is healthier because it's lower on sugar. You're gonna need, you can do like 1 ounce. I usually use this guy, it's 1.5 ounces. It's up to you, everything's 1 to 1, you know. So you're going to need a mezcal. You can use tequila, but I prefer mezcal, and the two that I'm liking right now are Del Maggi Crema de Mezcal. Do not judge me on that pronunciation. And then where we're at, we have well, actually we have to drive when we visit my parents, and we go to Megabev to get the mezcal. I think mezcal though I could probably get at stores around here. It's this bad boy, the Ancho Chile Reyes, that I have to get. I can't find it over here. I have to get it over there. Okay, and then this is another mezcal that I really like, the Sombra mezcal. So if I can, I'll try to link it down below. But if not, I can just message me, email me. I'll let you know where to get it. Okay, so we're gonna do, this one's not open yet, so I'm not going to use that one. I'm gonna do this mezcal. So again, 1 to 1, so I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces. And then the Ancho Chile Reyes. Okay. And then I use the lime soda water, sparkling water. You can use whatever kind you want. If you like lemon better, use lemon. I don't know, that's just what I prefer in this drink. You tap it off. I'm gonna say normally in this cup, it's more of the topping off of this water, so this one might be a little stronger, but that's okay. We'll still drink it. All right, and then we have the watermelon one. I feel like this one though, I don't need to cut as much off. I think a little bit more will be good. There we go. Perfect. Stir it up. If you want to, you can definitely do it in a cocktail shaker. I don't always do it in a cocktail shaker. And then if you want to add the lemon, or I usually do lime, but again, we're out, so whatever. All right. So if you have any questions, comment below, or you can email me. I'll try to link everything that I can. To help support me, go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed and you click the bell for notifications. And if you want more of the daily life of Galena, go ahead and check out my fitness Instagram. It's FitnessSailor19. It has 3 S's in it. And I hope everybody has a great night. Let me know also if you try this out, what you think, or if you have some great recipes. I'd seriously love to try out some more recipes.